Now, Jen was in the color purple. I tell you, if you talk enough, you know you get the air. In the city by 8 o'clock in the... oh, excuse me. Oh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Our... Oh. Oh. So now she's lawyered up to threaten... Sorry. Ugh. Nope. Better than ever. To me, ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. You know, part 2 where Kim will be there. Excuse me. Classy. The least you can do is take care of your child. And you know what? It was probably too big of a job for me. I'm sorry. And the hat that Aretha wore. Excuse me. We've only known about him for maybe a year or something. Excuse me. Our final, excuse me. Celebrity look-alike. Everybody was resoundingly saying, well, oh my gosh, look at her abs. She just had a baby. You know, what's up with that? Excuse me. In the meantime, some things never change. I had no idea sportscasters weighed in on 14-year-old basketball games. And she might weigh 100 pounds. But it doesn't matter. The guy, take a look at... leaning on the table and shimmy. Oh. There was like an 8-year-old girl, and Tisha had... All right. Oh, excuse me. In other Mariah news, she's being called the cheapskate. Look, I don't know what's going on. I don't know who you're gonna damn. If you have an open marriage and you have that agreement, excuse me. Thank you. Do you all have costumes picked out? Yes. Excuse me. Just a matter of time. She's not lonely. I apologize, I apologize. She's not lonely. I know you all say that. Excuse me. The law is not the same for living together, even if you have kids. Oop. And I was eating my lobster with flaming Cheetos. Excuse me.